How to make and sell stickers online from your couch. Your couch, huh? Yeah. Or your kitchen table, or Starbucks, or any place you want to be. Here's the cool thing, guys. You can sell these stickers online now and make a ton of money and do it anywhere you want. You remember as a kid, some of you guys actually collected stickers and put them on everything from your book bags to your binders to rulers to whatever you had. You put stickers on it. Well, here's news for you. Stickers are better than ever and bigger than ever. They're high quality stickers. They cover every range and every niche, everything you can imagine. There is a customer out there for a sticker. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the steps that you need to actually make money selling stickers online, and we're starting right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget, turn on bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. Super important. And also give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm so much. If you guys would do that, I would really appreciate it. At the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can get a free course, $97 course, absolutely free. Now, why should you bother selling stickers? Well, they're popular. It's the 11th most searched thing on Etsy right now. People are going crazy over stickers. It is a big trend, and you want to be in on the big trends, right? And they're inexpensive to make, and you can sell them for a really good profit margin. They're easy to ship. There's so many good reasons to do stickers. So let's jump into it. I want to walk you through all the steps of it so you know exactly how to do it. At the end of this video, you can start your own business. Now, if you want, you can make them yourself. If you want a third party to do it, you can do it for as little as $1, depending on the volume that you're ordering. Now, where do you start? Well, you figure out your niche, and it can be almost anything, guys. Let me show you an example up on the screen here. This particular one is inspired by her cat, Milky, and she created a cute cartoon version of him that she remixed into different designs, and you can see them on the screen right there. They're pretty cool. She's the owner of Created by Christine, and she chose to create stickers full of positive vibes and inspirational quotes. She also gets ideas from her day job as a first grade teacher and makes stickers for fellow educators. Okay, so let's brainstorm a little bit about some ideas. I'm going to put some ideas up on the screen here for you. It could be your hobbies and interests. It could be your favorite artistic styles. It could be communities that you belong to. What you find inspirational. Maybe you have some motivational stuff. What messages or symbols represent your personality. If you want inspiration, you can just browse some of the stickers that are on Etsy or some of the other websites out there, Redbubble or something like that. There are programs that will help you design them. You can use a program called Procreate on your iPad where it actually integrates with one of the iPad pencils, and you can do that. You could have a graphic artist come up with some ideas if you want. Fiverr is a great place for that. It costs you $5 to have something done, or $10 or $20. It's very inexpensive, and a lot of those people have programs and they can churn that stuff out so fast for you, and you can have your products right away. These stickers can be created so many different ways and in so many different forms. The first type of cut that you'll see is what's called a die cut, where it's cut all the way through and the backing is the same size as the actual sticker. The other is called a kiss cut, where the top layer is cut out but the backing is not. So when you peel it off, the backing goes away and you've got the sticker. Two main ways that you can create them. Now on the screen is an example of stickers that are kiss cut, because you have one whole sheet there and you can peel off the individual stickers. So that's a good example of that. Now let's look at some of the types of finishes you can do. I'll put those up on the screen too. You can have gloss, paper, vinyl, you can have matte, you can have holographic, you can have mirrored, you can have holographic glitter, you can have prismatic, you can have clear. The choices are almost endless. So just get started. I think sometimes we're faced with all these choices and it slows us down. Just pick something that you like and get started. Now to start with, you're going to need some type of paper, sticky back paper, and you can get that from onlinelabels.com. You can find it on amazon.com. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can print it out and you can put it in what's called a Cricut machine. I'll put one of those up on the screen there so you can see that. My wife actually has one of these Cricut machines. I don't know what she uses it for, but she has it. And what you can do if you want, you can get the matte finish ones, which are just flat. and then you can buy a sheet of gloss to put over top of it, and by putting that sheet of gloss over the top of it, it provides some protection for it, a little bit of weatherproofing, that type of thing, and it's cheaper to make it that way than if you buy the glossy stick paper. Now if you do decide to invest in one of these machines and print your own stickers, the good thing about it is you don't have to print a lot of inventory. You can print as you need, but the downside is you do have to invest in all the paper, you got to invest in the machine and all that stuff before you get started, and you're not going to know really what sells, and it's going to take a little bit of time to figure it out, but you can certainly do that, and a lot of people are very successful at it. There's also companies that will do it for you. You can go to a company such as Sticker App, you can go to Sticker Mule, and you can go to Sticker Giant. You can also look for local printers that may have a better deal and faster turnaround times, but any of those companies can do it for you. Now there's also print on demand companies. If you want to be totally hands-off, print on demand company is going to actually print up the sticker for you. All you have to do is upload the image. They're going to print the sticker for you when you get a sale, so you don't have to buy any inventory. They're going to ship it out to the customer for you, so you don't have to ship it out. All you really do is marketing, and you collect the money. It's going to be more costly to print your stickers that way, so with drop shipping you're doing a whole lot less work, but you're going to make less money. Okay, the stickers are going to actually cost you more money. The next thing you can do is actually sell on Etsy. Now Etsy already has a marketplace. They already have people that are selling stickers there, so there's already people coming to that site. They're used to it. They're going to provide you with traffic, but at a price. For every product that you upload, it's going to be 20 cents on a recurring basis, depending on what that period of time is. They're also going to charge you, at the time of this recording, 5% of that sale. In addition to that, you're going to have to pay a transaction fee, so you're paying to have that traffic there, and you don't have as much control. Now what a lot of people do is they will start on Etsy, and then they'll start a Shopify store on the side. The cool thing about a Shopify store is that you have total control. You don't have any fees, right? You got the fee of the website, but that's it. So you're not going to have transaction fees the way you would on Etsy. You don't have to pay a 5% commission. You don't have to pay money to upload your products. Now you may say, well, should I just do a Shopify store? And the answer is no. Why not get the traffic off Etsy and make the money off Etsy, and also make the money off the Shopify store? The next thing you can do is Redbubble or Society6. Now what they do is they take over the entire process. Okay, so if you're selling on Redbubble, what you're going to be doing is uploading your design to the products, and then Redbubble is going to actually sell the product, and they're going to collect the money, and they're going to make the product, and they're going to ship out the product, and they're going to pay you a commission for doing that. So that's how Redbubble works. Now obviously you're going to have the lowest amount of profit on Redbubble or Society6. However, you don't have to do any work. It can be actually passive income. Once you've uploaded some stickers that people like and they're buying on a regular basis, you don't really have to do anything at all, because they just sell, and then they ship them out for you, they make them for you, they do everything. So it makes it really simple for you. It's a good side hustle. I wouldn't say you're going to make millions of dollars doing it, but it is a good side hustle to have some extra income. The next question you may be asking is, how much are you going to sell them for? Well, they normally sell from about $2 to $6. That's the sweet spot. That doesn't mean you can't charge a whole lot more for a much bigger, more intricate sticker, but that is the normal price they're going for in the market right now. So you're probably going to shoot for that. You can also look at your competitors and see what they're charging for their stickers and make a decision based on that. Now we're down to shipping. Okay, we've come up with our ideas, we've made our stickers, we know where we're going to sell them, and we've collected our money. Now we got to ship them out. How are you going to ship out a sticker? I tell you, it's easy. Normally most of these stickers can be put in an envelope with just a postage stamp and be shipped out. You may want to be a little extra secure. You may want to put it in a photo mailer. You may want to put some cardboard in there. There's a lot of things you can do to protect it, but basically it's easy to ship it out. I own a survival food company, and we have canned meats, and a case of the canned meats is 27 pounds. Well, that's a lot of weight. Okay, and since it's so much weight, it costs us a lot in shipping, 30, 40, 50 bucks. Keep in mind, we're selling a product that sells for $200, $300. So that's the difference there. I have a big investment in a warehouse. I have a big investment in inventory. I have to store all this stuff. You won't have to do all this if you're selling stickers, so it's much easier to ship it out. Now the only thing is, if you use first-class postage when you ship it out, it doesn't provide a tracking number, so you may want to offer priority shipping with tracking information for an additional fee. Well, there you go. You know how to sell stickers. You could actually start a business right now, today. Yes, today you could be selling from your couch. My couch is over that way. This is my office. Okay, you could actually be selling from your couch or your kitchen table, or a coffee shop. I work a lot in coffee shops. I go to Starbucks and hang out, use their Wi-Fi, drink their free water, and run my business. That's a pretty cool deal. You could do the same thing. Anybody can do this. Get it through your head that you could do this. Fire your boss. Go do it today. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I hope you got a lot out of it. I'd like to talk to you further, and you could do it by putting comments below. Ask me questions, tell me about yourself, tell me what you're working on, or maybe you just want to say hi and tell me what the weather is. That's okay too. You're welcome to do that. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. If it's red, then that means you haven't clicked it. Okay, you need to click it and turn it gray. Yeah, if you turn it gray, then you're subscribed. Yay. But you got to also ring the bell. There's going to be a bell that's going to pop up. You got to ring it and turn on all notifications. That way you're notified every time I go live or every time I upload a video. It's all real simple. Go start your business. Thanks so much for listening. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.